Alright folks, back at it. This one actually took me like 2-something hours because it was so many details. So speeding it up to try to keep it within a reasonable time for your watching enjoyment, this bad boy is cooking. So it's pretty much the same stuff as before. I do a lot of cleaning up here on the original drawing. It was kind of, loose and fast whenever I was drawing it, so there was a lot of little kind of eraser marks and things like that when I was drawing it. So that's something I haven't done on the last video, so you can kind of just see me cleaning up the drawing. And that's another thing, whenever you're doing one of these, it doesn't have to be totally perfect, because once you bring it in the computer, you can start going through and even like this, little parts that don't connect, and just cleaning up little details like the FP right here that I'm cleaning up. Like that was super messy. I just like quickly sketched it in kind of last minute, and then it's pretty easy to go through and kind of touch it up and fill in gaps. The lasso tool is great for that. That's what I'm using here. Even drawing in and changing whole little areas. And this is actually a piece for a buddy of mine's Twitch channel. I'm doing some of the little visual design elements for him. It's Forest Police, I believe. Forest Police on Twitch. So go check him out and watch him kill some monsters or other people or whoever else is playing. I'm not a video game guy, so I'm not aware too much of the games he's playing and stuff, but nice dude, so go check it out. Again, just cleaning up the old FP on this. Now it's back to the norm. Selecting stuff and coloring. It's very fun, kind of cathartic, honestly. Once you kind of know your process, it's pretty straightforward. It just kind of comes down to experimenting and trying out stuff to refine your own style and get things how you want them to look. Another thing you can do on here, like say you don't like the roughness of this sketch, once you scan your drawing in, you can actually bring it into Illustrator and do live trace, and you can select like, I think there's one where it's like shades of gray or something like that, and then it'll vectorize it, so it'll smooth out all those lines. I mean, not perfect, but way smoother than like how my drawing happens to be here. And then you can just save that out, bring it into Photoshop and treat it this exact same way, and then it's way more kind of cleaned up. Just wanted to smooth it out a little bit. Oh, and here, see, I had a line, like I had some messed up lines in the eyes, so I had to go through and kind of do a little reconstructing. Right here, I missed a whole chunk, so I'm going to do some damage control. And there, obviously, I was like, as soon as I did it, why did I even try that? That's not going to work. To get all the flesh tones. Ta-da! Kind of put a little bit of shading, just some of the kind of rough tonal shading on the hands, because I come back and do my own like more detailed shading a little bit later. And here I'm getting the vest ready to color it. Just anything you just build, you start one color, other bold swaths of color, then you start doing shading, and you can go into details, and that's what's so nice about layers. Even though I was way off for some reason on this one, and I just was doing everything on one layer for quite a while, but I do end up, once I start doing my highlights and things, I start adding other layers. these, I was like, it's kind of like the American flag. Like this one obviously would be like the American flag. But then on this one I was like, you know what? I'm not going to try to like reinvent the wheel. It'll keep it balanced. So I'm just going to put those same stripes on that. Fill it all in, put some shading, grab your stripes, color and shade those. Gun time. And I'm not really much of a gun guy or a gamer, so I'm sure that this is probably like the most rudimentary gun. I know games have like crazy ass guns. But yeah, I'm just like, well, I feel like this resembles one close enough. I'm sure there's something out there in the world that looks fairly close to this. Even if there's not, it's imaginary. It's for a game. Is that what it's called? I seriously doubt that's what it's called. Maybe a little highlights and shadows. Give some dimension. I feel like I went a little heavy on these shadows, but hey, it's alright. Then we get those FPs popping. I missed the little center of the P. I gotta go back and there we go. Then just doing real basic highlight and shadow just to try to help raise it, give it a little tiny bit of dimension. While I'm on the top FP, might as well go to the other FP. Same with this, just real basic kind of highlight shadow. More shadow time. I was assuming this is kind of like one of those little speakers. Talk to your other teammates on. Now I'm just grabbing up all my shadows so I can just go through and paint them in. At shadow time. We are getting there. Only like 3 minutes to go. What will happen? I still got all the skin to do. Sheesh. Flak jacket shadowed. Try to give those little dimension. shadows right, sometimes it takes some playing around. But the clothing ones, you can be pretty loose with it. You know, there's not really a super straight line way to do the clothes ones. You know, it's just kind of like put some shadows, highlights, whatever. Clothes are unpredictable. But with the face, it's kind of like, you know that shadows should kind of go here, highlights should kind of go there. If you accidentally start putting those in, you can't correct it. Embellishments on the hand for the veins, tendons, whatever they're called. Now some highlights. Zip through those. Now the eye was a little weird, so I was like, can put that little crook of the eye in there and kind of round it out a little, which I definitely think helped. Looked really kind of jacked before that. Here I'm just going through getting all that gunk that you don't really see that's around the outside, and I bumped up the black outline a little just to make it a little more bold. Even though when you see in the final product the background it's on, you can't really see the outline that much, but if I didn't have it on there, it would definitely look very flat. I thought that was freaky. I saw that the black outline was solid, and I was like, oh, what's it look like without the color? It looked very dicey, kind of a Nightmare on Elm Street vibe. And then that shadow, I wanted to play with it, so I put it on its own layer and moved it so I could get it where I wanted it. I got an unsplash because I wanted like some trees. Forest Police. I was afraid if I illustrated them, it would look too flat, and this kind of gives it a little bit of a polished look. And I'm exporting it. And that is that. That is the Forest Police. Thanks for watching, guys.